who still wants to remain a boy. I'm talking about no other than Comrade Paul Onyema, aka Boy Ogu.
And welcome, good morning, and Anioma to Anioma State in the waiting. Thank you very much. No?
Okay, God bless you, my brother. You're welcome. And today, we're not going to stay alone. We have with us a proud son of Anioma, one of the foremost agitators when it comes to the Anioma State actualization. I am talking about no other than my brother, my friend, from my local government too, all the way from Onichugbo, no other than Mr. Kogolo,
Yes.
aka Deputy Jesus, the perpendicular dissector. You're welcome, my brother.
Welcome,
You do not call it to the end. It's called Professor Black and White, the perpendicular dissector.
Wow!
Professor Black and White, the perpendicular dissector. I don't know that one before. But I don't know. Okay, we are talking about the creation of Anioma State.
Yes.
Yes, for some time, it's like the story has been elusive, but I keep telling people that the underground workings are very in full gear.
Yeah.
And a lot is happening, which shows that Anioma State is actually in the waiting.
Yeah.
So let's go, Mr. Kogolo. What's the latest? What's the update with the Anioma State creation?
Okay, if you notice, when the last year, December, they're supposed to round up the, what do you call it, the Constitutional Amendment Program. But as of now, the Constitutional Amendment Program has not been rounded up.
Okay.
So definitely, they are resuming. They have done one of the sittings in this January. They are going to be resuming this February. So definitely to round up the whole Constitutional Amendment, which includes the new amendments to have 37 states of Nigeria, and new budget and constitution that will include that 37 states. Anioma is the point of concluding that. Now, I don't want to go into detail to tell you what we have been doing at the background, but I assured you as of today, there's no Anin state, there's no other state, it's only Anioma State that is in the forefront.
The last man standing.
Yeah, the last man standing. Because every box has been ticked. And every stakeholders have come to realize truly Anioma is what they need. And in case people are still doubting it, I want to let you know this for a fact. If the journey is so smooth, we won't appreciate it. If you wake up in the morning, you breathe air. You know, people give credit to food, they don't give credit to air. You see people say, yeah, they enjoy, it's all about meat and drink.
Yes.
But me, I see food at the same time I see air. At the same time I see water. People don't give credit to air. The day you stop breathing, you know say food no dey important.
I dey tell you.
So we appreciate what our senator is doing. Senator Nurain Nedi Chinedu Nwoko, the senator representing this Delta North constituency. We appreciate his doggedness and his ability. I appreciate him in House there. I appreciate him very much. Even know, you know, they say in the secret where your name is being mentioned, that is when you know how important you are. So you will know where I've been to, and people talk about you, whether it's in Imo State, in Anambra, or even in River State. Yes, because we have been all these places, and I can tell you, people always say, why is Belushi not here? I say, guys, he hold the office down. They cannot leave the office and go to the field. We are the men in the field. Yeah. And I must tell you, I appreciate what we have been doing every Monday to keep the people, the Deltans, the Aniomas updated. So we are on it.
So Anioma State is, how many percent do you rate the emergence of Anioma, the actualization of Anioma?
120.
120%. More than.
I'm waiting for Tinubu to return. 120.
They're saying that.
I'm not giving you a hope. I'm giving you an assurance. There are two different words. You doubt what you believe, you don't doubt what you know.
Okay. Thank you very much. Oyeme, any question for my brother?
Perpendicular dissector. What for Anioma? If I go a question, you go answer them. So when I go fit ask you, is not fit answer. Right? So I want just to say, okay, what is the place? Do you think the issue, this is a ranger? government created identity crisis among Awe and Anioma? Play any part in objection to Anioma, this Anioma state creation? Do you think it affected?
Of course, why he has lingered for a very long time is because of the identity crisis. Okay, this morning there's something trending on social media about, for a very long time, history has been removed from Nigerian curriculum, whether primary or secondary. Whatever reason the government gives, we don't know. But fortunate enough, we are privileged to see that this present APC government want to return history back to the system. But do you know that the first problem we are having here is that every tribe in Nigeria was listed in JS1 history book, approved by Nigerian government, but Igbos are not there. The third major ethnic group, to me, Igbo is the largest ethnic group, but the third major ethnic group in Nigeria, their history is not shared. Now, let me break it down for you. Forget about the Southeast Igbos. You that is an Anioma person that claim you are Ika, you are Ukwane. Eka is Eka, Ukwane is Ukwane. We are not Igbo, we are not Benin. Why didn't they share your own history in that book?
As what you are, as an Ika man.
So you see, every day the system tells you by their action, because this action speaks louder than voice. The system tells you by their action. It
affected this Anioma state.
Exactly. They are just trying to see. They didn't say it, but you can see. Because why should a Nupe be recognized in the textbook? A Birion, a Gbagi, a Kakanda ethnic group, Efik, Isoko, Ijos, that were sharing the same state with you, where they claim say the ethnic group, they don't recognize you. Because they treat you the way they treat the Southeastern Igbos, Igbo only Igbo.
You are correct.
So the identity crisis, yes, we have been rejected. That is what Nigerian government is telling us. But if we reject ourselves, nobody rejected us. We did ourselves wrong. Yes, by this action, it means that we have been rejected. We have been told with their actions that we end Igbo. It is left for us now to embrace that Igbo-ness with full chest. So I don't know how you want to see it. We want to zone Anioma to Southeast. We are crying and oof. As if a Ebonyi state man will come and contest here. As if an Edo man will come and contest here. It's still an Anioma person that want to rule. There's a kind of thing they set up recently saying that they want to come back. Let Boko is not doing anything. Abos laugh. Somebody is working that you have 3 senators, but you want to champion one. What greediness has overcome our people? Because if you have a state, automatically you have 3 senators. You have many House of Rep. You have no local government. So we are going to be having more people in the office of the government. But because of blindness, identity crisis, you are denying it. So identity crisis has a lot to play. But we thank God that with time,
we won't them well.
Yes, we have been winning them. I was telling somebody today in the car.
Some don't run.
Yeah. I was telling somebody today in the car, don't you notice that Delta Igbo is already dead? How many people identify themselves as Delta Igbo again? You don't understand. Now what we are having is I'm an Anioma person. I'm only Anioma. I'm only Anioma. The narrative will change. Because when we started, they were laughing at us. You're a small boy. What can you do? You cannot change anything. No, with time. I give them 10 years.
The Anioma has conquered the lion.